Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dinuji Loganathan. Today I came up with some interesting tool. The tool name is called FlowShift AI. So it's almost 4 years now. I am working with many migration projects. It might be from automation anywhere to Power Automate, or maybe UiPath to Power Automate, or Blue Prism to Power Automate. The quite challenges here is many people who coming from the different background. For example, other tools they don't have any clue on Power Automate desktop, especially at least automation anywhere and UiPath developers can able to understand something on Power Automate desktop, but people who coming from the Blue Prism they don't have any clue. I mean how that Power Automate desktop is working. This tool is mostly helpful for the automation anywhere developers who are going to work on the migration project. I mean automation anywhere to Power Automate desktop. This tool is definitely give some insights, and they also try to understand how they can going to migrate that existing bot to Power Automate. So it will give all sort of informations. So first I will quickly give a uh, quick walkthrough of this tool. Okay, so first I will sign up with my account. Okay, so let's get started. I will give Dinucci and automate with Dinu and my password and my mobile number and my mobile number. This is not my mobile number, but I'm just giving. Okay, so India and Bangalore, and you can give how you hear about this tool. Okay, then it will send a verification code to your given email. I will quickly check my email. So I got my OTP for the registration. I will do the registration here. My account got created. Okay, then you can see here now I got an option for the analysis analyzer, so where you can import your automation anywhere bot in this tool. It will give the insights. Okay, so you can take a look. It will give the step by step action mapping and how the workflow is created in the automation anywhere. And also it give the readiness scoring. I mean how many percentage it would be easily migratable to the Power Automate, and where it would require the manual review, or maybe apart from that it will give the security analysis, package inventory, what kind of packages it is utilized in automation anywhere, and migration assessment. Okay, so how this tool works, you can export the code from automation anywhere as a zip file. In the control room you can map all your master bot and child bot, whatever maybe based on your process, and they export as a zip file. Then you come to this analyzer part and you can import your bot here. Okay, so I have the couple of samples here. Okay, so this is one of my sample. I will click on the analysis button here. So it will show totally how many steps we have in the automation anywhere. So totally we have the 121 steps, and how much is pad ready 73 percentage. I will come up, I will explain how we are deriving this number. And totally 19 packages used. For example, they might used error handling, SAP, email, Excel, REST services. So you can see all the commands breakdown here. So largely it is implemented with lot of commands and error handling, and it also includes SAP package and email, Excel, REST web services, loop, browser, etc. Right? And also you can see here how many of them. I mean almost 33 percentage, or maybe 33. I mean whatever the blue is showing, it's pad ready. It is a 73 percentage, and the remaining is need the manual review. And you can also see the total bot statistics, how many total elements are we have. Total we have 121, and packages we have used 19. Totally we have 15 variables out of that. And also you can see how much of them pad ready and need review. Okay, so these are the commands we are having in the automation anywhere. So you can see here, so it is starting with the command and error handling log files. So you can see here whether it is easily migratable to the pad or not. If it is easily migratable, it mentions as a ready. Okay, so if it is required any human review, it will mention as a review, and it will give the equivalent what is the equivalent actions available in the Power Automate. For example, command is the automation anywhere command, and it is a equivalent of flow control command. So you can go and check the flow control package in the Power Automate desktop. Under there is a command, so you can drag and drop. You can simulate the same workflow in the Power Automate desktop as well. It will give only the overall analysis. It is not going to migrate your bot to the Power Automate, but it will give the understanding how developers can find out the equivalent command in the Power Automate. Okay, likewise you can keep checking all the other packages. Excel, it is using the open spreadsheet. You can use the Excel action for that the same. And here it is getting the get row count. So similarly you can find out all the other details. So REST web services, so you can use HTTP invoke web service commands in the Power Automate. And so similarly you can see other details as well. And if you go scroll down, and you can see the flow chart of the automation anywhere, so how it is designed. Okay, so it is starting with the command and error handling, login to the file, commands, Excel advanced open sheet. So it is opening the spreadsheet and get the row count and get the multiple cells command and the database connect, REST services. So you will, I mean, developer who are going to migrate the bot from automation anywhere, they will get the better understanding how that bot has been created in the automation anywhere based on this workflow, right? I mean the flow chart. So you can see the entire workflow here. So it will show till end. And if you come to the next session, this is a pad migration assessment, right? You can get the similar details, but this is the unique patterns. For example, here if in the migration analysis, it will list out all the commands, but it will list out only the unique commands in the overall workflows, right? So you can find out all these details, unique patterns here. And if you scroll down, you can see the packages. What are the packages they have utilized in automation anywhere for that, that automation anywhere bot, right? So application, browser command, data table, database, delay, email. So all these packages they have used in the automation anywhere. And also you can see the variables. So how many of them string, and how many of them credentials. So those details also you can able to see it here. What are the input? What are the output? So those information you can able to see it in the variable section. And last one is it will show how many steps are there in the automation anywhere. And based on what it is giving the overall complexity rating, it is showing the 9 out of 10. So it's a complex bot. And you can also see the recommendation from the AI side. What is the recommendation for the developers. So web automation steps can be migrated using pad browser automation action group. Use launch new browser, click element, populate text with the cxs path selectors, right? So this information definitely helpful for the customer, developers as well. And finally, I have integrated this tool with the LLM model where you can create this entire report as a Word file. Okay. So if you click the generate process document, it will take a few seconds and it will produce the Word file for that. Okay. Let's wait for that. Okay, it's done. You can scroll down and you can see the executive summary of the overall flow and process overview, detailed process steps, applications and systems integrated with that bot, what is the input and output, exception handling, migration nodes. So all these details you can able to download in the as a doc file as well. I will show the report. So you can see here executive summary, document outlines, designs, and implementation details of automation in your A360 bot named SAP main process. Bot automates a complex business process involving the SAP, Salesforce, database operations, and email notification. The process consists of the 121 steps, all which we are active, and leverage the variety of the automation or package to achieve its objectives. Right. So process overview also you can see, and what you can see the bot statistics and packages used and a detailed process. This might be helpful for the developers. For example, sometimes customer says I don't have the documentation for the automation in your bot, because people who are going to migrate that bot, they don't have the clue what that bot does. It will take a lot of time to understand the bot. So in those cases, that this tool will be definitely helpful for the developers. They will easily understand how they have designed the existing bot, and also it will give the step by step mapping for the developers. It will give all the mappings and variables, input, output, everything. And what are the application it is integrated with: SAP, Salesforce, Excel database, email, REST API, and what are the URLs used, exception handling, migration assessment. So it will give all set of informations, and it will give the workflow details as well. And finally, recommendation and migration notes. Okay. I mean, definitely this tool gives you a kind of starting point for the developer who don't have the background with the Power Automate. They easily able to relate what is equivalent command in the Power Automate after utilizing this tool. If anyone want to try this tool, please subscribe my YouTube channel and reach out me in LinkedIn. I will give the URL to try this tool. Okay. For example, if you don't have the sample automation anywhere zip file, you can download that from home page itself. You can download sample bot to try. You will get the zip file. With the zip file you can try that out. Okay. And also with the current setup, it will allow you to try only 3 analysis for free. So already I tried one, only another 2 is left for me. And I allowed only 100 user daily for this, try this tool. It will not allow more than 100 persons per day. Okay. If you like this content, please subscribe my YouTube channel and support me, and we will catch up with another video. Thank you so much, guys.